Okay, well.
What are you doing? Don't touch me, bro.
Well, right now we just got to confirm that you don't have a firearm, are you? Okay.
Excuse me?
Okay, just.
Bro, I'm gonna tell you something. Get your hands off me.
Don't resist. If you
Get
want to
your
record,
hands
that's
off me,
fine.
bro.
Okay, then can you
get your hands off me? How about that, rookie? Get your hand off me, bro. You're on Canada Copwatch. Okay, you don't scare everybody the way that you think you scare people. Like, I'm not scared of you idiots.
That's not.
You want to come out here with this intimidation shit? I know how to sue the out of you. I'll have your stupid face all over the internet for life, attached with your name. You know what's gonna happen when your people Google your name to see if you're doing good police work? You're gonna look like a idiot out here detaining Canada Copwatch.
Welcome to the channel.
Welcome back to the channel, everybody, and let me tell you, when I first saw this video, it had me stuck like glue all the way to the very end. Canada Copwatch does an excellent job here owning these cops for trying to intimidate him, all because he was peacefully trying to record the police activity, very respectful from a distance. And of course, we got tyrants not only in America, but we got them worldwide, guys, and this one takes place in Toronto, Canada. And these cops do what tyrants do best. They're gonna try to back up Canada Copwatch and keep them from recording their dirty work and try to detain him and also put handcuffs on him. But today they tried it on the wrong one, guys, because Canada Copwatch does not mess around when it comes to his rights. And you're gonna love how he makes this little rookie cop tuck tail like a little doggy. You're gonna enjoy this video as much as I did, I can guarantee you that. And I'm definitely gonna leave his channel link down below in the description, guys. You're gonna wanna go subscribe after you see this, believe me. And I highly recommend that you do. He has a great channel and he does excellent work. Let him know I sent you while you're at it. We'll see you over there and enjoy the show.
What's the side street here? What is it? East of Furrier. We're in a parking lot east of Furrier Street. I don't have the parking lot, sir. I don't have the address. Do you want to come up here? Can I help you, buddy? Can you back off for me? I don't care if you videotape. You need to back off.
Oh, by the way, ladies and gentlemen, those cops have a 15-year-old detained because he was wearing a mask in public.
You need to back off. Get your hand out of your pocket. Sir, get your hand out of your pocket. You guys want to, we got reports of guys with ski masks on tonight shooting BB guns and fireworks. I want to make sure this kid doesn't have a BB gun on him.
Okay, we are.
Don't touch me, first of all.
Okay, well,
Don't touch me, bro.
the call that we got.
I don't care what your call is.
Well, I'm gonna explain it to you.
I don't care.
We got reports of sounds of gunshots. Okay, so we are investigating something in relation to a firearm.
Yeah.
Okay, reports of a white male with a ski mask.
Yeah.
And he's advising me to.
I don't care.
Okay, well.
What are you doing? Don't touch me, bro.
Well, right now we just got to confirm that you don't have a firearm, are you? Okay.
Excuse me?
Okay, just.
Bro, I'm gonna tell you something. Get your hands off me.
Don't resist. If you
Get
want to
your
record,
hands
that's
off me,
fine.
bro.
Okay, then can you
Get your fucking hands off me. How about that, rookie? Get your hand off me, bro. You're on Canada Copwatch.
Okay, I understand that.
So get your hand off me, bro.
All right, just put your hands behind your back.
You guys are up right now. I promise you that. You know how much people's gonna see this?
That's okay. I just got to confirm that you don't have weapons.
I don't consent to any search. I don't consent to any search.
That's not something that you can consent to.
Excuse you?
Okay.
What's your name and badge number, first of all?
Police Constable Sandoval Garcia, 12616.
Rookie, 5 numbers,
Okay.
figures.
Okay.
You guys are fucking up right now. I don't consent to search, eh? What's your name, sir? Nichols?
Nichols.
Before you touch me, I want a supervisor. I promise you guys, you guys are fucking up right now.
Do you want to just... Yeah.
You guys are fucking up right now. I'm telling you, bro, don't put handcuffs on me. You're gonna pay for it civilly if you put handcuffs on me,
I
eh?
don't have to put handcuffs on you.
I'm telling you
can
now.
just cooperate.
You're not searching me.
Yes,
You're
we
not
are.
searching
Yes,
me.
we are. Yes,
You're not
we are.
searching me.
Yes, we are.
I'm not
Then how about
resisting.
this? Come to the top of my car. Just place your hands on the hood, and we'll search you that way.
You're not searching
We
me.
are searching you.
First of all, these cops are wrong. They have no probable cause to search Canada Copwatch at all. He hasn't committed any type of crime, but simply peacefully recording there. And this is why people hate the police, guys, because of this type of behavior right here. Canada Copwatch is the one that's correct here in this video, and he's about to give it to these cops.
Bro, you're not searching me. I'm telling you that now.
Why are we making this difficult?
Because I'm a Canada Copwatch. I came here because I seen a fucking gun call on the Citizen app.
Of course.
That's why I showed up here. And you guys are fucking think you're gonna search Canada Copwatch like I'm involved in this bullshit? Bro, look at me. This.
Yeah,
This.
okay,
You think I'm running around filming my own crimes or something? Think about it, bro. Think about what you're making rookie moves right now, eh? De-escalate. I'm not a part of this bullshit. I'm here to film what's going on, bro.
Okay.
So slow down.
Okay. Like I said, just showed up. Okay.
Yeah, but what you're doing is hands-on shit. I'm not comfortable with your hands on me, eh?
Okay, but we have to confirm.
Talk to
that
me.
everyone's
Stand
safe.
there. I'm not running from you. I'll have a conversation with you.
Okay.
I just told you who I am. I just told you what I'm doing. But I'm not involved in this bullshit you guys got going on, eh? And I don't like your hands on me. If I walked up just putting my hands on you, what would happen, bro? What would happen? I'd be charged. You can't just walk up detaining random people, eh? You can't do that.
Okay,
Talk to your boss, bro. Yeah, talk to your boss.
Just keep your hands.
Don't tell me where to put my hands. I'm not fucking detained, bro. I'm not detained. I didn't do shit. I'm filming the police. This is my charter of rights.
Yeah, items.
All right, so don't tell me what to do and where to put my hands and blah, blah, blah. If you're scared, go work at a fucking jumpy castle, all right?
Mm-hmm.
I'm not a part of this bullshit.
Mm-hmm.
Rookie, bro. Come out here on some hot shit, coming in hot. Like, what's wrong with you?
Mm-hmm.
If you're gonna act like this, don't be a cop, eh?
Mm-hmm.
Guys are fucking, you don't scare everybody the way that you think you scare people. Like, I'm not scared of you fucking idiots.
That's not.
You want to come out here with this intimidation shit? I know how I'll sue the fuck out of you. I'll have your stupid face all over the internet for life. Attached with your name. You know what's going to happen when your people Google your name to see if you're doing good police work? You're going to look like a idiot out here detaining Canada Copwatch.
Now, I really like how Canada Copwatch brings up his name like that and mentions it after the fact. It actually sounds more intimidating for the cops. Now, I can guarantee you that this rookie-looking cop is not used to someone standing their grounds like this and putting him in his place.
In the middle of a fucking call. What's wrong with you people, bro? I'm trying to detain everybody. Are you guys crazy? You got my kid in cuffs?
I got your kid in cuffs. Why?
Matt, calm down. Matt, calm down. Calm down.
I'm calm.
Figure out what you're doing. I'm not standing here with you all night, eh? I came here to film this scene.
You're with the officers.
Just don't get involved. I won't. I just want to see you.
Okay. At least tell me what's going on. I'm the supervisor, okay? What's going on? Come over here. You want to be filmed by this guy over here? Who are you?
Canada Copwatch, yeah. I told you, you idiot. Dumb as a brick wall. Dumb as a brick. You got the IQ of a apple, bro. Idiot. Come here putting your hands on me. You're lucky you didn't put them cuffs on me. You're lucky. You're lucky.
Just gotta make
I don't
sure
give
that
a
safe, right? We're just coming here.
bro.
If you don't feel safe, well, fuck yourself.
Okay, I don't give a about your safety. I give a about my safety.
Of course.
Fucking bitch.
Okay.
Come out here with your little miniature ass. If you didn't have these men with guns with you, you could never touch me, eh? Your little miniature ass could never touch me.
What do you mean by that?
I mean that your little miniature ass only does this because you have men with guns with you.
Right.
If you were alone in the street, you wouldn't be walking up to people, grabbing them up like that. That's what I mean.
Okay.
You don't have the heart to do it. I could look in your eyes and see the pussy in it. I could see the vagina right in your eyes. You're only doing it because you got these guys with you, bro. That's the only reason. joke. Stop stepping towards me. Stop.
I'm just trying to keep.
I don't
eyes on
care
myself.
what you're trying to do, bro.
Okay.
You're making me feel unsafe. Stop stepping towards me.
I'm not stepping towards you.
They're taking it off, not they're taking it off.
He should not have fucking handcuffs on him. And what's your cause for him being detained? What?
I told you I
They see me walking around with
We're
a ski mask.
investigating
No,
assault
if you
with
start
weapons
getting
tonight.
upset.
So you guys are literally detaining anybody with a ski mask right now. With no RPG. No reasonable probable grounds. Anybody that's wearing a mask in the city of Toronto, you think you can detain right now?
Is that a question or a statement?
That's what I'm asking you. Is that what you guys are doing? Because I heard that you guys just did this to this kid for the same fucking reason.
The information that we received was that there's a young male wearing a ski mask, wearing black clothing.
How old are
with
you?
a firearm.
How old are you?
Or
I'm older than your stupid ass. So how young, what is young to you?
you're not going to do this.
What is young to you? If you're detaining young men, what is young to you? What age would it be? 15? Do I look 15 to you?
Where you had a mask on, right? You just showed up, like I said.
You guys are dumb as a brick wall. You all right, man?
Yeah, I was just walking down the street, and the guy told me to put my hands on the car, so I got scared, and that's why I ran. Well, he was cussing at me and swearing at me. He was like, put your hands on the fucking car, and he was being violent, and that scared me, so I ran.
These cops are pretty damn ridiculous, all over because of this kid was wearing a mask. Now, you're going to see how the father comes at these cops, and I really love the way he does it. Now, me being a dad, I would have done and acted the exact same way. All these cops in this video got what they deserved.
So it's all recorded. So if he's acting like that towards a minor and my son, I want his fucking badge number. Whoever he was, I want everybody's badge number right now.
If you guys don't know how to request the body cameras, I'm going to show you guys how to get these body cameras.
You can't pull anybody over just because he's fucking dressed in black.
That's what I was trying to say
What
to
the fuck's
them.
wrong with you guys?
This is why the public hates the police, bro. You guys just detained 2 people for no reason at all. While the whoever did whatever you're looking for is getting away. You guys are nuts, bro.
Come over here, son. He's free to go. That guy already dismissed him. He already released him. This is my son.
This kid obviously didn't do nothing,
my
bro.
son. Where are you going? He's my son.
Don't touch them.
He's my son. Don't come at my boy. He ain't crashing out. He works for us. He's a public servant. This guy can't say nothing. Get in the fucking car. And I told you.
Matt, come.
Stop wearing
They have
properly
been
ID.
shit.
You guys are literally detaining the whole city right now. Anyone that's wearing a mask, are you guys crazy?
Where's your scooter?
That police house.
Okay, just get in the car. Just get in the
Dumb as bricks, I swear to God. Keep your fucking hands off people. You hear me, dickhead? You little midget. Keep your hands off people, bro.
Fucking come at my kid like that.
Pieces of shit, bro. All of these guys. Bunch of you guys are the reason the gap between the police and the public is so big. Pieces of like you idiots. Now get in your fart box and get out of here. You midget. You're lucky you didn't cuff me, bro.
There you go, people. Now that's how it's done, and that's how you own the police. If you agree, drop your thoughts in the comments. If you don't agree, drop your thoughts in the comments anyways. I would love to know what your thoughts are about this video. And remember, guys, this is why it's so important to know your rights and not only know them, but exercise them when it's that time to do so. And always record your government, especially all your interactions with the police, guys. This is a perfect example right here. Canada Copwatch did an excellent job. Again, also the 15-year-old's dad also did a fantastic job. Now, I can guarantee you that this rookie-looking cop is not going to forget this interaction at all. He's going to remember this probably for his whole career. Thanks for tuning in, guys. We'll see you in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe. to Canada Copwatch. Again, his channel link will be pinned in the description. Go check out some of his videos, show him support. We'll see you over there, and definitely on the next video.